Hey everyone, I got another package in today. Already opened it. I know what it is. Only opened it due to my daughter wanting to check it out. And it's already marked here. I ordered some 10 pieces of black hot glue sticks. Use hot glue sticks for mounting LED lights underneath cabs and RC cars. It's nice, kind of temporary. Strong enough but temporary if I need to change things out. So I just wanted to try out some black hot glue sticks for future projects to make things look clean. So let's check them out. They look like small diameter, probably. I think standard. I think it's 7mm diameter. Black hot glue sticks. I think there's 10. Be interesting to try these out. It's probably another video. Just wanted to try them out. I think I got them for like $1.17 free shipping from AliExpress, and I think I ordered it late August and I got it today. It's the 20th of September, so on average everything's been getting here in like 2 to 3 weeks. This looks like it came from Thailand. So looking forward to using these. I got some small projects for them. Probably show it off in another video. I have a rear bumper on my crawler to kind of close up the underside. So I'll try that out. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone, welcome back. Got another package in a couple days ago. Sorry I haven't shot another video. I've been busy. I haven't got a lot of packages recently other than just this one. I'm waiting on, probably have like 4 more. I've been tracking them closely. Coming. Got this one from, I think it's from, this is Taiwan. Ordered this on AliExpress. I got it from the mailbox and it's a keychain buckle ring. Felt around. I believe this is my Lexan scissors. I got it for $1.28. That's with tax and it's free shipping from AliExpress. Ordered on the 22nd of last month and got it on the 23rd, so roughly got it in a month. Really can't ask for much. I still have stuff. Two items I ordered back in July still haven't received yet, and they're here in the US. They're stuck somewhere. I don't know where. Post office, customs. So, not sure, but I used to have Lexan scissors way back when, same with reamers, 20 years ago. I wish I kept all that stuff. So, this is a nice find for a good price. Free shipping, can't really beat it. Let's see. Yeah, they feel good in the hand. I got really big hands, so let's see if I have any plastic. I don't off the top of my head around me, especially anything close to Lexan. I would hate to hack up a truck body right now since I don't have any. I have upcoming modifications, but so can't test these out right now. But they should work. They feel the edges feel nice and sharp. So hey, you can't really beat it for $1.28, right? Hopefully they'll work out. I just plan to, if I get a new body, mostly wheel wells. That body reamer came in handy in one of the last videos. Had some rear body mount for the cab for my Enduro, and that worked out really well. So yeah, thanks for watching.